I will this WhatsApp bot to automatically transcribe your speeches, technically the audio file transcribing right inside your WhatsApp. And at the same time, you can also generate text to speech right inside your WhatsApp. Okay. This is kind of a cool use case for sure. So firstly, I will just show you the demo, and after I will explain you each and every single node's explanation and the data flow through those nodes, so that you can understand the architecture of this particular automation. So let us this is the play. So firstly, I'm just going to send a video file through the WhatsApp. So let's see how it goes. Okay, I have sent the video file. So the execution was actually running. So let's see. If everything goes well, the video should be automatically transcribed and the transcribed text should be sent back to us through the WhatsApp itself. Okay, perfect. We simply received the transcribed text. So let us also test the text to speech. So another execution also running. So let's see. Okay, perfect. We also received the audio for it. So cool. Everything is cool. Okay, now let me just explain you how the data will actually flow from node to node from the beginning to the ending. So firstly, the workflow will get triggered whenever the user simply sends a message or sends a video file, and we will automatically extract the fields from it. I mean required fields, and we will check whether the type is video or not. If it is a video, then we will automatically download the video, and we will create a file conversion job where the video file will be converted to MP3. Okay. So this is the particular logic for it. So after converting to the MP3, the MIME type will be different. That was not supported by Gemini model. So for that reason, we are simply converting the outputted, MIME type as application slash MPEG. So that format will be automatically supported by the Gemini model. So it will continue the transcribing. And after the transcribed text will be sent back to the WhatsApp itself. Okay. So let's say if there is the another scenario too. So if it is not video, if it is video, we will continue this particular process that I simply said to you. But if it is not video, then it will go through another if logic, which checks whether in the message is there a slash TTS word or not. So you know if there is, we will move forward. Okay, so we will move forward and use the second sub workflow and generate speech from the text. Okay, so technically we will look for slash TTS in the text messages. So only those particular text messages will be automatically generated as audio. So for that reason, we simply have the second step verification kind of thing. And at the same time, we will completely remove the slash TTS so that in the final output audio, the slash TTS won't appear. So don't worry about it. Only the text which you have sent apart from the TTS port, it will automatically generate to you. So you got me right. So, you know, whenever this particular workflow will trigger this particular second sub workflow, it will directly grabs the text from it because we receive the text to, okay, text body. So we receive text body. So we will simply generate a speech from that particular text and we will upload the media to the WhatsApp servers. And after that, we will automatically send the audio file back to the WhatsApp itself. So this is the reason. I mean, this popular is the reason, and this is a daily cool use case scenario where speech to text and text to speech will be done right inside your WhatsApp. So yeah, there are a hell other use cases of automations too. So